Now let's learn how to draw an angle using our protractor. We will draw an angle BAC equals to 65 degrees. Let's see how we draw such an angle. First, we need to look at the vertex. This angle is in fact of vertex A because letter A is in the middle. So first I place a point, I name it A. Second step, I draw one of the two sides. Either I draw AB or I draw AC. So it doesn't matter which one I draw first. For example, let's draw AC. I don't want to follow the alphabetical order. Let's draw first AC. Then I bring my protractor. I place the center of the protractor on A and the 0-degree line on AB, on AC I mean. So I must place it perfectly on AC. Once I do, starting from the 0 to the right, I count the numbers till I reach the dash of 65 degrees. 0, 10, 20, 30, I follow this set of numbers. 50, 60, after 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the dash of 65 degrees. I place a point above this dash. After placing this point above this dash, I draw with my ruler the second side AB. But here I will rotate since it's easier here. So here I will show you when I draw the second side AB, it should pass through the dash of 65 degrees. Now let's draw another angle. Angle BAC equals 117 degrees. So first step, as we did earlier, we need to find the vertex of this angle. It's the point in the middle, point A. So I place a point, I name it capital A. Then I draw one of the two sides. Here we will choose to draw AB first. Now, what I need to do is to find the location of the second side AC. So I bring my protractor, I put the center on point A, and the 0-degree line this time I place it on AB, but the 0-degree to the left this time because AB is drawn to the left. Now I need to start counting from the 0 to the left until I reach the dash of 117 degrees since AB is drawn to the left. So I follow the set of numbers above: 0, 10, 90, 100, 110, 115, 16, 17. So this is the dash of 117 degrees. Then I bring my ruler and I draw a semi-line starting from A and passing through this point. So here, if we notice something, I will rotate. You will see the animation until I reach the 117 degree dash. So this is an angle BAC of measurement 117 degrees. Let's draw a right angle TSR. We know that a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. First, we must find the vertex of this angle, which is point S. We place a point and we name it S. Then we draw one of the two sides, either ST or SR. For example, if I want to draw first SR, as long as we want. To draw the second side ST, I can either use my set square by placing the set square on SR, and I draw a perpendicular to SR passing through S at S. Then I name the side, either by using my protractor by placing the center of the protractor on S and the 0-degree line on SR. I count from 0 till 90. I put a point above the dash of 90. Then using my ruler, I draw the lines starting from S and passing through this point, also as long as I want. Then I name the second side ST. Then I put the code of the right angle, and now we have a right angle TSR of measure 90 degrees. Now let's draw a straight angle XBY. we know that a straight angle measures 180 degrees. First, let's place the vertex B. I place a point, I name it B. Then I draw one of the two sides, either BX or BY. So let's start with BX. So after I draw the semi-line, the first side BX, to draw the line BY, I can use my protractor by placing the center of the protractor on B and the 0 on BX. I count from 0 till 180. I place a point, then I draw the second side BY. But it's much easier to use a ruler to draw a straight angle, since I know that the two sides are in fact the side BX and the side BY. They are opposite to each other. Since BX is to the right, I can draw BY to the left by extending BX to the left using my ruler. I just extend BX to the left and I obtain the second side BY, and we easily drew a straight angle XBY of measurement 180 degrees. Now let's draw a final angle MON. This time M and N are small letters, equals 148 degrees. So first I need to find the vertex. The vertex of this angle is point O. So I place a point, I name it O. Then I draw one of the two sides. Either I draw OM or ON, it doesn't matter. So here, for example, if we choose to draw ON first, it doesn't matter how long I draw ON. It's a semi-line. I can draw it as long as I want. Then I bring my protractor. I put the center of my protractor on the vertex O, not on point on N. N is not a point, and it's not the vertex. After placing the center on point N, I make sure the 0-degree line is on the semi-line ON. Now I need to find the dash of 148 degrees to be able to draw the second side ON. I count from 0 till 140, 148. 1, 2, 3, here if you want to see it better, 40 or 45, 1, 2, 3. This is the dash of 148 degrees. It's an obtuse angle. Once I find the dash, now I draw the semi-line OM. So I must position my ruler correctly. After I do, I choose another color and I draw the second side OM. So this is an angle measuring 148 degrees.